In this video, I'm going to show you how you can request an appointment with your existing provider. You're going to go ahead and navigate to your client portal and go under the Appointments tab. From here, you can click on the Request Appointment button, which will then bring up your online booking for your provider. You can select the type of service you would like and the provider you would like to have that appointment with, and select Next. From here, you can select the date and time that you would like to have your appointment, add in any additional information that is missing. You can go ahead and select Next, confirm all the information, and book in that appointment. Now you can go back to view your appointments where you will see that appointment has been requested and will be confirmed by the provider. And that is how you go ahead and request an appointment with an existing provider.